Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on YouTube in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. And first of all, click on YouTube. Okay, then font size. Okay, then back. Click on settings. Search on text size. Okay, then click on text size, then click, then this volume, then swipe right, then up your size, then down, then short your size. Okay, then check it, then full volume, back YouTube, then all size, font size, then height, then check it, then down. Okay, then your text size YouTube, then short. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.